Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday, Marvelous Monday, or Mystic Monday. You pick. All right, last night I prepared fried chicken marsala, and I used breaded chicken strips. It's good. The sauce didn't thicken like I wanted it to. But hey, nothing's perfect. As Robin put it, because I mentioned it while we're eating, that it was really yummy over mashed potatoes. Yes. I also prepared garlic thyme asparagus. The asparagus was wonderful. Really garlic. There was a lot of garlic in it. I don't like too much. I know. Did I say that? Too much garlic? But no, it was good. The combination of the thyme and the garlic, with the fresh asparagus out of San Joaquin Valley. Good stuff. And I had cheddar smashed potatoes. The pictures aren't pretty, but it's good. It's good. I'll get the recipes up. Tonight, I'm doing a simple, prep is almost zero time for me. I'm doing oven barbecue ribs. Robin was supposed to do these ribs a couple Saturdays ago, and there's a correction from my this past Saturday's message. We didn't do these ribs because of my mental health. We didn't do the ribs because I brought ribs home from my Yuba College event. Yes, we had leftover ribs that night with the potato salad. So I'm actually, of course, we got those ribs right in the freezer. I took them out. They're nice and thawed. I'm doing oven barbecue ribs. So let me show you what I got going on. Got the hardware. The hardware is super simple. Sheet pan, aluminum foil. That's about a 3.5 pound rack of pork ribs. I already put the spice blend together for Robin, a couple weeks ago. I just kept it. This is the additional seasoning to be added to a bottled barbecue sauce. This is just a placeholder. This is very old. We just took it out of the fridge this morning. I'm buying a fresh bottle of barbecue sauce, and I'm not making sauce. I got other sauces to make this week. Of course, there's some olive oil and some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. So, and then we're going with, we actually tasted this yesterday at Bel Air. This is actually a Creole potato salad. It's actually really good. It's got a nice little kick to it. The mustard in it is very nice. It's very good. So, that is going to turn into dinner for tonight. Yeah, super simple. I'll glove up, give these ribs a good rub down with the olive oil and the seasoning blend that I put together for it. Yeah, super simple. 2.5 hours in a hot box. It's gonna be great. Then we'll slather it with the barbecue sauce. Yeah. So on this marvelous or mystic Monday, have a great day. Oh, I'm going to be putting out a little challenge. It's not a 3-ingredient challenge. I have an ingredient that I want to use, and I want you to add suggestions of other ingredients to include a protein to be used to put this all together. I'll get that out today, I promise. So, on this marvelous Monday or mystic Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.